In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Discord on your mobile device. Whether you're wrapping up your gaming session or just need a break from the chat, follow these simple steps to disconnect from your account. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord mobile app. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. In the settings menu, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. This will open up the settings options where you can manage your account. Scroll down until you find the Log Out option and tap on it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Log Out again to confirm your decision. And that's it. You are now logged out of your Discord account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.